Hi guys, welcome to SUDEEPVERSE, and I hope each and every one of you are doing really good. Now this is Prelims Affairs, where we discuss current affairs from prelims perspective. The first issue that we will be discussing is personality rights. It is very much in news, it is very important for the upcoming prelims exam, so understand the concept clearly. Now first we are going to show you a question, see if you can get the answer. If you are not able to get it, then don't worry, we are going to explain in detail and then we will come back to the question and then you can surely answer that particular question. So are you ready guys? Now let us first look at the question. You're looking at the question on the screen and the question is, with reference to personality rights and AI generated content in India, consider the following statements. Personality rights in India are expressly codified under the Copyright Act 1957. The courts derive protection of personality rights primarily from Article 21 of the Constitution. Foreign AI platforms can invoke Article 19 of 1 of G to justify commercial use of celebrity likeness in India. John Doe orders are used to restrain unidentified digital violators in cases of online impersonation. Which of the statements given above are correct? A, 2 and 4 only, B, 1, 2 and 4 only, C, 2, 3 and 4 only, D, 1 and 3 only. Alright guys, so you have seen the question and I know that to get the answer you need to have good clarity of what exactly is personality rights, and also you should understand what exactly is this John Doe order. So make sure that you see the explanation clearly. So the first thing is, what is personality rights? Personality rights is defined as the right of an individual to control the commercial and reputational use of one's identity. And what exactly is the identity here? The identity can include the face, image, voice, likeness, persona, catchphrase, signature, anything regarding that individual. So why personality rights is in news? That is because of the AI tools that has allowed the replicability and rapid and massive use of personality rights of celebrities. Now there are several AI tools like voice cloning, you have generative chatbots, you have digital avatars, and more importantly you have deep fakes, which are using the personality and identity of several individuals without their consent, and here comes the foundation of personality rights. Understand something, that personality rights is not explicitly defined in our constitution, nor it is explicitly defined in any of our statute or law. If that is the case, where are we deriving the personality rights from? Personality rights is a judiciary made rights. Where did the judiciary derive these rights from? It derived its rights from the right to privacy, which is part of Article 21, which says right to life and personal liberty. In case Puttaswamy vs Union of India case 2017, it was decided that right to privacy is part of our fundamental right under Article 21, which says right to life and personal liberty. And right to privacy includes the right of an individual's control over personal information, the right of an individual's control over how that information is presented to the world, and more importantly, the right of control over one's identity. And it is this right of control over one's identity from where the personality rights are derived. So now let us understand the evolution of this personality rights. It started with Arijit Singh case 2023 in the Mumbai High Court, where the Mumbai High Court presented an injunction to not use Arijit Singh's voice for AI voice cloning. The second case is Anil Kapoor case 2024, where the Delhi High Court restrained any AI platforms from using the image and voice of Anil Kapoor. The third case is the Aishwarya Rai Bachchan case, where again the Delhi High Court restrained the AI platforms and websites from using her images that can cause reputational risk. And the last case is the Salman Khan personality rights case 2025, where the Delhi High Court again issued a John Doe order. Now what exactly is a John Doe order? John Doe order is also called Ashok Kumar Order. It is technically defined as an ex parte civil injunction issued to unidentified or unknown defendants. Let me simplify this for you. It is a court order that is intending to protect you from harm even before you know who exactly is committing that harm. In simple words, let us assume that someone is misusing your work online, then the court will allow you to issue an order to stop that misuse even before they identify who exactly is the doer. Civil injunction means to stop the order. It is a preventative court order, and overall it is issued to unknown or unidentified defendants because you still don't know who's the doer, but you just want to stop the act. This exactly is what is known as John Doe order or Ashok Kumar order. And this becomes very, very important, especially in the digital space where misuse of work, misuse of image, misuse of voice happens rampantly. So finally, you have learned what exactly is personality rights, how is the personality rights derived, and what exactly is John Doe order. Now let us go back to the question and see if we can deduce the answer. Now you are looking at the question. Now let me read out the question once again. The first is, with reference to personality rights and AI generated content in India, consider the following statements. The first statement reads, personality rights in India are expressly codified under the Copyright Act 1957. We have now understood that personality rights is a judiciary made rights that is derived from Article 21. It is not defined explicitly in any law in India. So the first statement is wrong. So if you remove the first statement, you are going to eliminate option B and option D. So then comes option A or option C. In option A or option C, we have 2 and 4 as common statements. So 2 and 4 by default must be correct. So let us go to the third statement. In the third statement, if you see, it is written as, foreign AI platforms can invoke Article 19 of 1 of G to justify commercial use of celebrity likeness in India. Now understand something, that Article 19 is explicitly given to Indian citizens only and not foreign citizens at all. So only with that basic common sense knowledge you can understand that the third statement is wrong, and by eliminating the third statement, the correct answer should be A, 2 and 4. So I hope that this is how you should use the combination of your knowledge and your common sense to always deduce the answer, and I hope this was useful, and I hope you understood what exactly is personality rights and John Doe order. I'll meet you in episode 2. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, please like, share and comment so that it incentivizes us to do this on a regular basis. I'll see you again, guys. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Bye.